Hello, my name is Alex and my channel Holod-service. Now I want to show how can we remake inverter fridge to common one. We have to replace inverter compressor to fixed speed compressor. How can we replace it? We have to connect this cable which goes from out PC board to compressor. We have to connect this cable to power cable, and then we connect it with a special device, and from this block we have a cable which connect to the compressor to 40 volts. You can see and check. This is an original compressor inverter from 0 to 220 volts. Fan motor is the same inverter's fan motor. We connected with this device and now it's working. Just stopped just now. Temperature is inside 2.5 degrees Celsius and everything is working. If you want to buy this special device, you can send me a message, and if it is possible, I send you in your country. As you see, everything is working. I hope my video was useful for you. Thank you for watching.